This is Josh Dolgan, and this is my medium ISP, the Smart Trash Can. In this video, I will be discussing the code and the 3D design, and then showing you the final working product. This is my code. It is designed to scan the front tray, and if something is sensed in the front tray, it will use the lift function to lift the servo and place whatever is in the placement tray. Once there, it will scan the depth of the trash can and display the depth using the 10 LED bar graph. This is my 3D design for the Smart Trash Can. It's designed very modularly, so if one piece doesn't fit, then I can reprint it and make sure that it fits perfectly. So on the front here, this is the placement tray, which is monitored by the HCS04 sitting in these two holes here. If the HCS04 senses something in the placement tray, it will lift the servo arm, which is the servo will be placed right here. Will lift the servo arm, which will subsequently lift the lid due to this arm here. The lid is attached to the base by this hinge at the back, which will be secured with a zip tie. So once the arms are removed and the lid is removed, now you can see the large reservoir on the inside. This is where all the trash will actually sit. As you can see again, the servo motor will be sitting on the inside here. Once the larger reservoir, the big base plate, is removed, then you see here, this is where I will store all of the electronic components, the Arduino, the PCB, the HCS04, and the wires for the infrared sensor, and the servo motor will come out through this hole. And finally, everything will be secured by this base plate on the bottom, which essentially connects the larger reservoir and the Arduino housing together. This is the final design for the Smart Trash Can. As of now, unfortunately it does not work perfectly, as the arm sometimes does not lift perfectly all the way up, and the object does not get placed inside the larger reservoir. This can be fixed in a later design, but as of now, it works fairly well and has some accuracy. Thanks a lot for watching.